Kung Fu used to make steam buns. What a brilliant notion. Fill the pot from heaven with sweet bun. Fantastic when done. You're a Kung Fu master, I can see. And your homemade trees look so tasty.
What are you doing?
I sing to express my great esteem for a Kung Fu master because you are truly inspiring. Wow, so beautiful.
Don't make jokes. I'm not beautiful.
Your buns are so beautiful. Wow, so sweet. Was that shifting bodies and transposing shadows?
No, that wouldn't work. It's move 1,000 cattle with 4 tails.
Oh! So that's how you got it so tender, but also so firm.
The buns are 60 cents each. 2 for $1.
That much really?
Yes.
Well, they are worth every penny, of course. But this is all I have right now. Can I pay up tomorrow?
No.
How? Spoken with the grace of a true Kung Fu master. I am a Kung Fu master myself. Can I pay tomorrow?
No.
How? Okay. Here's the deal. I'll just have one more bun and you can keep the shoes, alright?
No.
How? Come on, give me a break. I really like you. You are so beautiful. That's why I sing for you. Hey!
Don't stop it. Come on, shut up.
Yeah, can we get some drinks?
Hi,
Mui?
it's me.
Wow, you seem different tonight.
You think so?
Oh, I know what this is about.
Do you like it?
Well, it's not Halloween, so you can't scare me with all that makeup.
Come on, don't tease me about it. Like it?
Over there.